she says to me, Marvin, you're not getting any younger. You gotta think about that young man you got working for you and offer him a partnership. We don't have no sons, you know.
Well, heck, you ain't known me but 3 months. How do you know you can trust me to stick around or even keep my hand out of the till?
I got my eyes on you.
Well, a hand is quicker than the eye.
Well, I'm going upstairs and get some sleep. See you in the morning. Think about that partnership, huh?
Marvin? See you in the morning.
Does that mean it's a deal?
Sure, we'll think about it.
Good night.
Night.
How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man?
And
How many seas must a white dove sail
before she sleeps in the sand? Oh!
My friend is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Yes, and how many years can a mountain exist before it is washed to the sea?
Pumps is closed, sir. Sir, pumps is closed. She won't be humming again until 6:30 a.m.
Billy Ray Bowers?
Hey, y'all from Wayburn's office?
Y'all got kind of an interesting accent there.
Oh, shit.
Then you always were kind of an actor, weren't you, Rick? You pretended to be my friend.
I never did.
And then you turned.
I never agreed to help you kill anybody.
Still a do-gooder, huh, Rick? My friend, Mr. Diggs, is kind of worried about that. See, I've already served my time, thanks to you. But he's still under indictment. And seeing as how you're the only living witness that can put him behind bars.
What the hell's he got on you? You still his flunky?
What are you, some kind of hero? Hiding your ass in a grease pit for 15 years? I don't think they're gonna put up any monuments for you, Rick. Any last words?
Oh.